Hello guys, welcome to EduCartech, and today we are going to start with exercise 11.2 part 2. Okay, so in previous video I have done first, second and third question. Now today we are going to start with the fourth question. Okay, so now in the fourth question it is given that there is a circle. No, it is not a circle, it's a sphere. Okay, so here is a spherical balloon. Okay, so the air was pumped into it, and again, while its radius was 7, it became 14. Okay, and what units? Wait, it's centimeter. Okay, okay. Now I'm taking a blue marker to solve. Now we have to find out the ratio of these. Okay, so it is given like, yes, we have to find out 7 means the smaller balloon ratio to the larger balloon. Surface area ratio. So 4 pi small r square ratio 4 pi big R square. Okay, now small r is 7. So 4 pi 7 square is to 4 pi 14 square. Now like don't put the value 22 by 7, just cancel this out. Okay, now 7 into 7 is to 14 into 14. Now 7 7 14 14 two times. Okay, now it would be 1 is to 2 multiplied by 2, which is 1 is to 4. It would be our answer. I hope you would have understood. And see, over here maximum students make a mistake. See, it was 7 square and 14 square. They cancel square to square and the answer comes 1 is to 2. Okay, and instead of doing that, they just elongate the question by putting the values of 4 and pi. Okay, don't do this, just cancel this out, and the square won't get cancelled. This you have to write out as 7 into 7 ratio 14 into 14. So 7 7 cancelled by 14 14 and 2 2 is left. Okay, then we multiply 2 into 2, which is 1 is to 4. Now let's continue with our next question. Okay, so now in our next question, I'll use a red marker, and here it is given that there is a bowl, spherical bowl, I mean hemispherical bowl. So now its diameter is given as 10.5 centimeter, and we have to here we have to like find out the cost of tin plating, or you can say the curved surface area we have to find out, and then rate per rate per 100 centimeter square equal to rupees 16. Okay, so now it is given that there in this spherical bowl we have to tin plate inside. So what do you mean by tin plating? Like there is a bowl, okay, we have to, you can say, apply a layer of tin inside the hemispherical ball. So if we are applying it, so we'll have to basically find out the curved surface area. Okay, clear? Now the rate for tin painting, per 100 centimeter square is rupees 16. Okay, oh sorry, yes, I was confused. Okay, so now let's find out CSA of hemisphere. Okay, so CSA of hemisphere is 2 pi r square, which is 2 into 22 by 7 into 10.5 by 2 into 10.5 by 2. Let me tell you, 7 multiplied by 1.5 is 10.5. Okay, now 10.5 divided by 2 is 5.25. This 2 will cancel, 11. When we solve this, we get the CSA will be 173.25. See, don't think I'm cheating because like I've solved this already previously. So I'm just seeing the value of the answer. Okay, this would be centimeter square. Okay, now 173.25 centimeter square it is. But we had to find out the cost. Okay, so cost equals to 173.25 multiplied with 16. Okay, but it is per 100 meter square, means divided 100. Okay, so when we solve this, we get the answer as rupees 27.72. See, this is a very less amount of cost as per nowadays, but NCERT was made so. NCERT was made back, so the prices are low as compared to nowadays. But in some questions, they are very high. Okay, now we'll continue with the next question. We'll continue with this question. Okay, so here it is given that there is a sphere. Okay, a sphere not named. So it is given that its surface area is 154 centimeters square. Now we have to find out its radius. So using surface area, you can easily find out the radius. So we know that surface area of sphere equals to 4 pi r square. Okay, now surface area is 154, so 154 equal to 4 pi r square. Now this will go here and this will also go here. So 154 upon 4 into 22 into 7 equals to r square. Now solve this. 4 3s are 12, and no, instead of this you can cancel this with 22. Wait, 7 and 49 by 4. R square equals to 49 by 4. Now you might have understood 49 also a perfect square, 4 is also a perfect square. So R will be square root of 49 by 4. Radius equals to 7 by 2. And 7 by 2 can be written as 3.5 centimeter. Okay, hope you have understood. Now this video is over, this video is short. Okay, so now in next video I'll continue with the last two questions. Till then, bye bye.